Hello children, Deepika here, your computer science teacher. So in today's class you will be learning about the next half of your chapter number 5 where you are going to deal with the properties of border and outline. Okay, so in this particular lesson we'll be mainly dealing with the CSS box model. So what is CSS box model? It is nothing but which describes the layout for an element. Okay, so this layout for an element has few parts. Okay, so what are they? The innermost part is nothing but the content. Okay, so the space which is covering this content can be either text or image. Okay, so the space which is covering the content is what we call it as a padding space. The space which is actually covering or surrounding the padding space is what we call it as a border. So this border actually behaves like an overall boundary for the entire element. Okay, which means the content. Okay, and then the space which is surrounding this border is what we call it as an outline, and the overall coverage is given by the margin. So these are the various parts that you need to know and you need to be familiar with as far as the CSS box model is concerned. So now let me show you the program which is going to deal with the properties of outline and border. Okay, so from here, from the opening HTML tag till the opening style tag, I guess everyone are clear with. Okay, now all you need to learn is about these two properties. Okay, so these two properties, if you see, you can see under border I have given 3 values, and under outline also I have given 3 values. Okay, now if you see, there are few properties of border. What are they? They are nothing but the border width, border style, border color, and border individual sides. So these are the 4 properties that border can have. Okay, there are 3 outline properties. What are they? One is the outline width, outline style, and outline color. Okay, so now when you see this border width is generally denoted using pixels. So you can see here it is written as px. So this px refers to pixels. Okay, and then we have this dotted. So what do you mean by this dotted? It is nothing but the border style. Okay, which refers to the border style. So this border style has many values like dotted, dashed, inset, outset. So many values are like that. Okay, so for all these things, no, you can just refer to page number 54 and 55. Okay, so these are the 2 pages in your textbook which gives you the complete detail about the properties. Okay, and here this green, this refers to the border color. Okay, whatever color you need for your border you can give it there. Okay, and then here you have your outline. So under that also you have 3 values given here. The first one is thick, the second one is solid, and the last one is red. So now when you speak about this thick is nothing but which denotes the outline width. Yes children, border width was actually denoted in terms of pixels, whereas outline width is generally specified using 3 values. One is thin, thick, and medium. So out of these 3 values I have chosen thick. Okay, so the next one is all about solid. Solid here is nothing but the outline style. Okay, so just like your dotted, you have solid also as a style, I mean the outline style value. Okay, and then you have red given here. This red specifies the outline color that we have chosen for this particular program. Okay, so I guess you are clear with all these things, and style, head, body, h1 I have given a paragraph here, so which is opening here and which is getting closed over here. I guess you are clear. I have given the content here. Okay, so whatever properties I have given here, all these things will be getting applied on this particular paragraph only. I guess you are clear with this. And now I have saved this program as border.html. Okay, so now what am I going to do? I'm just going to show you the output of it. Let me show you the output. Here is our output. Oh yeah, so now if you see, you are getting your title here. Are you aware of these facts? And then you have your content here. Can you see the content here? Yes, this is our content. Okay, and the space covering this content is our border. Can you see the border? We gave it as 20 pixels, we gave it as dotted, we gave it as green. Okay, these are the three values that we specified as far as border is concerned, and you have got it. And now the space which is immediately covering the border is nothing but the outline. Okay, so this outline, you remember we gave it as thick, we gave it as solid, and we gave it as red. Okay, so all these things are actually deciding the border and outline for your content. I guess you are clear with the output what you are seeing now. So what am I going to do is I'm just going to make few changes in the program so that you will understand how it actually makes a change in the output. Okay, so here if you see, instead of 20, if I give it as 50. Okay, so now instead of this solid, I'm just typing it as dashed. Okay, so now what am I going to do? I'm just going to save my changes. Okay, so now I'm just going to refresh my screen. Yes, you can see the change that is getting incorporated now. Can you understand? So yes, children, I guess you are clear with this particular concept. I want you people to give a try. Don't just stop by watching the video. I want you people to give a try with all these things. Moreover, I would like to suggest you at this point of time that you will have to go through the PPT also. Okay, the PPT what we keep posting every month related to the concept will be highly helpful for you in understanding the concept in a much better and deeper way. Okay, so I guess my children will give a try. Okay, immediately. So let me see. Okay, fine. Thank you. Take care of your health also. Okay, children. Bye.